How to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch to professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to switch your personal account to professional account, open up Instagram here, tap the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. From here, you want to simply go to an option known as account type and tools. So here you'll find account type and tools. Make sure to tap on it. From the top, you'll find switch to professional account. Tap on it and then just tap on the continue option here. Tap on continue. Make sure to select your brand or whatever else it is you prefer. Tap on the done option here, and as you do that, you'll be able to successfully switch to a professional account, be it a creator account or maybe a business account on Instagram. This way you'll be able to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.